Hey folks, welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. I am Jeremy. We got another light from SANSI we want to show you today. It's a 50 watt outdoor LED light, and we just got it a couple days ago, but this thing lights up crazy. It's actually lighting this video right now, so it's really cool. It's just on the other side of me, and I'm going to show you. It's actually pretty bright in my eyes right now, but I'm going to show you because it's only 50 watts like I said. And an outdoor light, we're going to run it off our solar system, being low power like that, and also we could run it off the Jenny, of course, too. But it's really bright. It's LEDs. It's got a 5-year warranty on it. Super cool light, so we're going to just share it with you. It's awesome. You can mount it wherever you want, things like that too. So without further ado, with me wasting my time just talking about it, I'm going to show you it. I mean, it's lighting this whole room up. So how cool is that? Let me show you. So it looks like I'm staring at the sun here. But I will switch this light over here. Switch, Alright, so I turned it off. Here's what it is. There's 8 LED lights. And that's what was lit up. It's actually this is actually brighter than the light I have on in this room right now. That one. So all it does, the cord is just a regular plug, and it plugs in and then runs these. It has an arm on it. So it has this bracket on it. So you can just attach that wherever you want, right? And see these here knobs on each side. You would just adjust them to put the bracket however you wanted. If you wanted to set it outward to sit on the ground like that, or if you wanted to hang it. I could actually see that being kind of cool, just attaching this to a piece of strap and running it as a regular light maybe, and then putting a switch off it. We actually talked about doing that for our cabin, so it's a cool light. Either way, I wanted to share you. Link is in the description for it. It's made by SANSI. So far we've got good products from them, and here's another one. Give you a look at the specs. So there's the specs on it. SANSI LED floodlight. There's the model number, the input voltage, rated power 50 watts, and all that good stuff. So it's pretty cool. Cool light. Link is in the description if you want to check that out. So we've been happy with that company so far. So if you're interested, check it out. I believe that's going to come in handy for us big time. And the low wattage is big too, especially running off solar is a big deal. You don't want to be burning up a bunch of power, so that'll be pretty cool. Anyways, we got lots to do on the cabin. If you haven't checked that out, check out the cabin build. Link is below for that. We got a couple of really cool videos, like some longer ones coming up, of the whole year in review of the cabin and of when we first got to the property. So stay tuned for those. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We just go live randomly sometimes. We don't plan it. Maybe we should, but we don't. So 'tis life. But see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by again.